About to show y'all how I can melt clouds. See that cloud right there? I'm about to melt that shit. Ever since I became telepathic, since Kylie Barnes, Robert Lackey, and Black James hacked my whole life, I've been on these waves. Somehow I can melt these clouds now, so you can see that cloud disintegrating. That motherfucker damn near gone already. There it goes. Bye. Bye, cloud. That motherfucker just about gone. That's a wrap for that cloud. See if I can find any more local little clouds to melt away. Them little stray pieces right there, I'm gonna get rid of them because they don't have no home. A little airplane flying by. Just to show the reality of the situation. Look, there go a big ass cloud. You just start melting. I'm gonna melt that whole shit away. Start at the top right corner and just start melting that shit away. Some kind of magic or something, I don't know. I guess I'm melted away with the waves. And now I'm somehow connected with the waves since I became telepathic. You see that shit getting gone. A little piece of that shit left. I'm gonna melt all of this shit. That whole cloud's gonna disappear right before your very eyes. There was a cloud right there. Now that shit's gone. Just about. Got one little piece left. Get that shit gone. Get that shit gone. It's gone. Almost. Almost. I'll make little electrical noises as it goes away even quicker. So there used to be a big ass cloud right there. Now there ain't no cloud right there. Still a cloud over there. I could start melting that shit. Let me start with the little stray pieces to the right. Let that shit go.